There was one class where we were studying the Mikado, and I just remember feeling like so disgusted by the fact that we were studying it as like a piece of classic canonical literature. I expressed like I was horrified by this, and my mostly white classmates were just like, "Why can't you take a joke?" And Marlise actually took a moment to let me speak in front of the entire class and say why I thought it wasn't okay. But it was the first time in university I felt marginalized, and someone saw that and took that moment to empower my voice. My name's Aaron Jan. I'm a York alumnus. I graduated in 2015, and I'm a director, dramaturg, and playwright working in Toronto. With my company Silk Bath Collective, currently one of the companies in residence at Theatre Casperai. I've done work at Canadian Stage, Soul Pepper, Fujian, Factory Theatre, Native Earth. I also teach now, which is super exciting. So I don't know, it's kind of cool to return home. I've always felt a real great affinity for the school, and I'm so glad to continue that relationship through making work with them. I'm really interested in exploring narratives about violence amongst BIPOC communities, the nuances of the second and third generation Chinese Canadian, how to create narratives for second and third generation Chinese Canadians that defy that immigration mold. Because personally, I can't connect to that. A lot of people can, I can't. So what can I do in terms of work that can engage audiences?
Hags is Hamilton's premier activist organization. We could partner with social justice groups from around the world, fish out their racists, and get paid so we can commit more time to this and expand our following.
So you want us to become anonymous capitalist superheroes?
In June, I was commissioned by Marlise to write a play for York's season. I was approached, she told me I could do whatever I wanted, which was an amazing thing to be told. And I kind of took it to myself to be like, okay, I in the theater community have seen thousands of Zoom plays by now. I hate watching Zoom theater. So I was like, what can we do to make a live Zoom play exciting? What if we make it scary? What am I scared of in this world? I'm scared of getting doxxed. I'm afraid of when I do activist work online, someone will reveal my address and send a shooter to my house. That's what the play's about, and it's happening in November. We have a great cast, and it's just been really nice to feel, I don't know, taken care of by York. I've always dreamed of working as a creative for theater at York, so it's kind of been really empowering. And I feel really grateful to Marlise and David and the entire team for taking me on. I know everyone is trying to be productive right now, and that's great. Just don't stress out about really pumping the gears because it's pandemic time. I know in early pandemic, I was so determined to get all of these things done that I burned myself out. Take it day by day. But like, my advice is to be kind to yourself.